my dear kids. Today in this video we are going to learn the difference between this and that. So here we go. What is this?
This is bicycle.
What is that?
That is a bike.
What is this?
This is a bus.
What is that?
That is a car.
What is this?
This is a truck.
What is that?
That is a train.
What is this?
This is an airplane.
What is that?
That is a helicopter.
What is this?
This is a boat.
What is that?
That is a ship. Thank you. Goodbye.
So kids, I hope it is helpful to you. I will meet you with the next video. Till then, goodbye.